Referral program is a win-win for both customers and company on the premise that we did it right. In this video, I will talk about my solution along with the user journey, and I will also mention some other ideas I had during this process that might be valuable for further development. Here we have Lena, who is our current customer. She is impressed with our app and she would like to recommend to her friends Anna, Eric, and John. She briefly talked about Greenerly once during their dinner. Anna found it interesting because she advocates a sustainable lifestyle. Eric and John were a bit skeptical. Now, Lena still wants to recommend to them, and let's see how we can help her to do that. So here comes our referral programs, which consist of the in-app promotion as a trigger for Lena and the referral entry for her to take action. Lena wants to learn more about the detail of the referral program before she sends the invitation. Also, if there are too many steps in between, she will still fail to meet her goal. This also means that we are losing one of our advocates. So it's important to provide an intuitive experience that facilitates the sharing experience. Let's have a look at her sharing experience. Lena clicks one of these share buttons, which calls out the activity view of the iOS system that allows her to choose through which channel she would like to share. Since she wants to share with Anna, Eric, and John, she chooses to send via message. Click the message icon. Lena is directed to the message interface with a preview of the web page that's going to be shared, and she just clicks send. After it's done and she goes back to Greenerly app, there is a thank you message, which is a feedback to her action as well as a compliment on her effort. This message encourages her to recommend other friends as well. For the company, it's very important to provide a complete experience which engages users throughout the way, so they will love the product and start selling it. Now let's take a look from the other side. What happens when Lena's friends receive invitations? What happens when they see the message and open the web page? Let's have a tour of this page first. The landing page has an encouraging slogan and leverages social proof by stating the progress made by other people living in the same community. And it also points out the incentive, 20% discount on first month's service fee. Lena's friends can scroll down to learn more about the price model, the other accompanying services, and the last part is about the Greenerly app. So if they can't decide now, they can still download the app and try it out. Then let's take a look at their actions. Eric is still skeptical about what the whole thing means to him, but he decides to try out the free app. John is impressed by the landing page statements, and after carefully reading the description, he decides to subscribe. So he clicks the join button and fills out the form with his email address, password, and personal number. The referral code is automatically filled in for him. So he presses the green button and confirms with his bank ID. Then he gets the subscription confirmation as well as the links to download the app. For Anna, she was actually impressed by Lena's brief introduction before and had been Greenerly's free user, and she decides to subscribe after she opens the web page. So when she noticed that there is a button for Greenerly users, she clicks that and is redirected to Greenerly's app. It makes her relieved that she doesn't have to manually type in the referral code, so the only thing she has to do is to provide her personal number and confirm with bank ID. As soon as John and Anna subscribe, they receive thank you notes and are confirmed that the discount will be applied automatically. Also, Lena gets a notification that tells her you have a friend joined Greenerly subscription and you will have a 20% discount on the next month, which makes her smile. This type of details helps to make the whole experience delightful and pleasant, which benefits the user-product relationship in the long run. And as a company, we do want to keep a positive relationship with our users. This is not the end of the journey. When the subscriptions start and the invoices come, they will all get the notification that tells them there is a new invoice and the discount has been applied. At this time, all of them are our current customers, and this simple note will remind them of the referral program again, so they are also reminded to visit the entry and invite more friends. Besides this solution, I have come up with other ideas that will be useful for the long run to act as incentives and stimulate the community. The first idea is to show the users their progress. For this page here, it recognizes Lena's effort, compliments her success, and the data is so impressive that she wants to share it with Eric and also to other friends who haven't used Greenly before. It not only provides a pleasant experience but also motivates users to share with friends. The second idea is about what could be the next step after the referral program. In this case, we start with Lena, and if she and her friends, each of them invites 2 more people to join, there will be a group of 9 people in the next month, and then 27 in the months after. It just grows so rapidly, and since they are friends, there is an existing connection among them which could be built to a Greenlist community. Now we have a comparison with other households in a similar situation, and how about with friends? For example, if they can see how each other are doing on saving energies, they will be more motivated. And what if Lena gets a notification saying that Anna admires her progress? She clicks the notification and finds the detail of her progress, and also is motivated to save more energy. This informal energy saving contest triggers them to check the app more often and help our company to maintain a high customer retention. That's all for this video, and thank you for your time.